In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. We'll connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to ClickUp, so your scheduling lives right alongside your tasks. Start by opening the ClickUp web app in your browser and signing into your workspace. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the integration, because the connection will be available there once it's set up. Look to the bottom left corner of ClickUp for the waffle, or grid, icon. It's the launcher that opens extra tools and settings. If you don't see it, your sidebar might be collapsed. Hover near the edge, or expand the panel so the icon appears. Click that waffle to open the menu. From the menu, select Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's App Center, where you can browse and enable integrations. At the top, use the search bar and type Outlook. You'll see results appear. Choose Outlook Calendar. This is the official connection that links your Microsoft Calendar with ClickUp. Open the Outlook Calendar page to review what it does, then click Connect. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the Microsoft sign-in window can open. A Microsoft prompt will appear asking you to sign in. Pick the work or school account associated with your Outlook calendar, or enter your credentials if prompted. Microsoft will display a permissions screen explaining what the integration needs, like access to read calendar events. Approve the request to continue. If your organization manages app approvals, you might see an admin consent notice. Follow your company's process if that appears. Once you've signed in and granted permissions, the window will close and ClickUp will confirm the connection. You should see the Outlook calendar integration marked as connected. Behind the scenes, ClickUp is now able to communicate with your Outlook account so calendar information can flow where it needs to in your workspace. If you're working across multiple ClickUp workspaces, double-check you connected the correct one by looking at your workspace name in the top left corner before you start. If the Apps option wasn't visible earlier, you may not have the required role in ClickUp. An owner or admin can enable access for you. And if search didn't show Outlook Calendar, refresh the page, or clear any filters in the App Center, and try again. That's it. You've connected Outlook Calendar to ClickUp through the Apps menu, searched for Outlook, opened Outlook Calendar, clicked Connect, and signed in to authorize the link. You're now ready to keep your planning organized without switching tabs.